How to make lemonade. I have a lemon. I have sugar. I have water. I have a cup and a spoon. I have ice. Wash the lemon. Cut the lemon. Squeeze a lemon. Put water and sugar in the cup. Put ice in the cup. Stir well. I taste it. It's sweet and cool.